It's winter in Florida, and that means colder temperatures. Okay, maybe it's not that cold here, but colder weather does mean changes for your lawn. I'm Kat Squitieri, Lead Communications Coordinator with the Southwest Florida Water Management District, answering your water conservation questions. Today, we're talking about lawn watering in winter. Today's question, Kat, does my lawn need as much water during the winter months, and how often should I water? Great question. No, during the cooler winter months, you only need to water about every 10 to 14 days and apply 1/2 to 3/4 an inch of water during each session. Adding too much water can actually cause pests and disease. You'll know it's time to water when your lawn looks a bit blue and has lost that springy feel. Check for grass blades folded in half or with a blue-gray color. And if you can leave a footprint on your lawn that sticks, it's time to water. But remember, your lawn doesn't need as much water in the winter as those hot summer months. So skip a week of water this winter and save water and money. For more water conservation tips, visit watermatters.org/water101. And if you want to chat with Kat, leave your water conservation questions in the comments.